Here is a quick video showing whether an iPad Pro or a MacBook Pro 13-inch will fit into the smaller 13-liter and below bags. First up is the Metromonger by Greenroom 136. So great bag. It has a dedicated padded tablet compartment. So let's see. So this is actually the Apple Smart Keyboard case for the 2018 iPad Pro. So this is the 10.5, 11-inch, the smaller iPad Pro. I'm using the iPad Pro itself as the camera, so this is just a case, but it will show the size. So obviously, it fits into this pocket with room to spare. Then this is a 2017 Retina MacBook Pro 13-inch. Again, it fits, but very tight. So if you're careful with the zippers, it will go around. The corner is a little bit tight, but it works. So while I'm slightly worried that the zipper will kind of scratch the edge of the laptop, there is a little padded lip here you can see on the back, right? So that should protect the laptop. Okay, so this is a Metromonger. Moving on to the Alpha 19 CHIO. So this is a kind of the opposite of the Metromonger, right? It's very, very soft. The only reason why it's not bending is I have some stuff in the front. Otherwise, it's a really a minimalist kind of bag, satchel, whatever you want to call it, designed to be slim, as you can see. So, iPad Pro, obviously fits without problem. 13-inch MacBook Pro. Again, it fits. You can see if I fold this down, there's this much more room on the top, and on the side, it kind of reaches to this part, right? However, I put the iPad Pro in here all the time with me. That's kind of my mobile device. I seldom put the laptop in here because there's no padding, and I do worry about damaging the laptop. One option is this is my favorite, very well padded, but minimalist laptop case from Griffon Industry. So if I put it in the case, and this case is big enough that it actually has a little bit of room to spare, right, on the height and the width. So as you can see, it will fit inside the CHIO, right? Because the CHIO, the top is a little bit curved, at the lowest midpoint, it literally just fits, right? So with that in there, it does take up a fair amount of room, but there's still space for maybe a pouch or two, or even a small rolled up windbreaker. So the downside of this is actually kind of a pain to get the zippers going. Right, sometimes I will leave the inside unzipped so that I can reach in and get this thing out. So here we go, both the CHIO and the Metromonger, a 13-inch MacBook Pro, and a 2018, the smaller iPad Pro will fit in both.